Hello, everybody. Welcome to the first episode of the Behind the Business web series with Kayla Maglovsky. I started this web series because I wanted to shine a light on the local business owners that make Windsor special. I wanted to share some of the struggles, the success, some of the amenities available for new business owners, and hopefully inspire some new business owners to join into the local business scene. So we're here today with Marlena. She's the owner of Marcuterie here in Wyandotte East.
So I started in 2020 actually, and it started out as just like a little side gig, passion project. I was making little charcuterie arrangements for friends and family as care packages during lockdown, and things just sort of snowballed from there. Took on a life of its own, basically. And so what started out as a little side project ended up becoming my full-time job. So now I created a brand for myself. I have a storefront, and things have been going great.
Excellent. What drove you to take your side business to a full-time business? Obviously, it was probably a little bit scary to step away from the comforts of the full-time job to explore this passion project. What really was the step that pushed you to go on?
Absolutely, yeah. So, of course, it is definitely scary, like you mentioned, leaving the comforts of a full-time job and jumping into something that's unknown. I did do it as a side project for a while, almost a year or so. And then as clientele built up and, again, it kind of took on a life of its own, I found it was something that I really enjoyed. So I wanted to kind of follow my passion, and I decided to take the leap and go for it.
You really made a brand name for yourself. You really did come onto the scene when Windsor wasn't really offering anything like this service. Sure, you could go and buy the products yourself, but a lot of people were a little intimidated watching the internet videos and seeing these beautiful charcuterie boards. And I know aside from the storefront, you also do some catering options as well, from weddings, baby showers, thank you gifts for realtors, by the way. It's really wonderful what you've been able to do. So why Windsor? What is it that makes Windsor special for the hospitality food scene?
Yeah, so we have such a diverse food scene here in Windsor. I think that's one of my favorite things about Windsor-Essex. We have so many different small business, ethnic places that you can try food from basically any corner of the world you can find here in Windsor, which is just so unique. And this was something kind of, as you mentioned, that wasn't really being offered. And so that kind of, I jumped in the market, kind of threw my hat in the ring, so to speak. And I just absolutely love our food scene here. And it's so unique.
Yes, we definitely have a lot of great local options for our cheeses, our meats, our wine. Honestly, a nice marcuterie platter for two is the best kind of day night. Go grab yourself some local wine, go with it. It's wonderful. What advice would you give to a new business owner who is currently tossing between keeping it as a side hustle and taking the leap? Are there any things you could recommend that would help making the transition a little bit easier?
Yeah, absolutely. I think our small business center here in Windsor is a fantastic resource for anybody who might be looking for some more direction or has questions about, startup and where to go, how to get things rolling. So I definitely think that resource is perfect, a perfect place to start. They can, point you in the right direction. They have really great resources, really great videos you can watch, workshops you can attend. So, I would definitely start there, and they can definitely help you with what you're looking to do, for sure.
Yeah, we'll definitely be sitting down with Sabrina DeMarco. She's from the Small Business Center downtown as well, to speak about some other things, maybe grants or classes or upcoming events they have to help. They're a great resource. Another really good one, food specific, is Cook Up Downtown. I know they're in the process of transitioning more to helping small businesses. They even start help with a little bit of the startup, get your websites going, provide you a space. They're a great resource as well. If you have any hopes, is there anything you're hoping to see for the city? Is there anything new that you're hoping comes in, or maybe something that the city could do to implement to inspire new businesses? Something you're looking forward to in the city of Windsor?
Yeah, I just want things to keep thriving. I feel like we have so many incredible businesses as it stands, but there's always room for more. And I'm really looking forward to seeing in the next couple of years what this city can become, basically.
So there's a lot of big projects going on, a lot of new businesses opening up. You're seeing a lot more life being put back into downtown, which is wonderful. There's a lot of exciting things to come in the city. But if you're looking for some absolutely delicious charcuterie or maybe some perfect snack box for the movies tonight, please come and check out Marcuterie. I'm gonna let Marlena drop all of her socials on here, and she'll be tagged in the video below as well.
Yeah, for sure. So you can find me on Instagram at marcuterie.windsor. You can find me on Facebook at Marcuterie. My website is marcuterie.com. And as Kayla mentioned, we have the snack bar here, so you can come and build your own box. We also have boxes to order for parties. And then, of course, we also cater special events. So weddings, baby showers, birthday parties, retirement parties. We do open houses and also closing gifts for realtors.
Thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a great day and keep supporting local.
Thanks for having us.